Founded in 2003 as a panel assembly company, GVD has continuously evolved and expanded. We began our export activities in 2005 and outgrew our initial facility. In 2007, we started producing our own panels under the GVD brand. By 2008, we received type test and ISO certification for our 4000A, 80 kA Form 4B panels, marking our first international sale. In 2011, we began producing Turkey's first locally made fully withdrawable MCC panels. By 2012, we invested in a roll-form line, leading to the development of enhanced, stronger profiles with improved durability and an IP rating upgrade from 55 to 65. To further certify our progress, in the second half of 2012, we sent both our standard fixed type and withdrawable type panels to the KEMA Laboratory in the Netherlands for type test and internal arc tests. The type test was carried out according to the new IEC 61439 standards and our updated profile design, achieving a 6300A1 120 kA Form 4B certification. Currently, GVD exports to over 60 countries, building long-term relationships with clients based on trust and satisfaction. We are recognized for our commitment to high-quality standards, innovative designs, and competitive pricing. Our expertise in manufacturing type-tested, certified panels allows us to meet the specific needs of various industries. GVD's success lies in its dedicated team, continuous investment in technology, and an unwavering focus on customer satisfaction. Our robust production capabilities, coupled with our strong international presence, have made us a reliable partner in the global market.